What is up, guys? It's Scott with Never Hedge, back for another Metamaterials update, and today was kind of a crazy day, and then we had a gigantic sell-off to start the day, down all the way to $5.06, and then we had a high of the day up 544, and then ended up closed at 534, so still positive day, up only 2% though. And RSI on this is looking pretty solid here, right at 55.56 at the close of the day. A nice big green candle there to close the day. And let's see here, MACDs are looking solid right now. Nice, tons of green volume there at the end of the day. We have 363,000 buys coming in at the end there. All right, we're going to head over to Fintel next, and days to cover creeping back up, and short interest percentage of the float also creeping back up at 9.57%, so we are up. We were right around 8% last week, so we're up another 1.5 there. Short squeeze score climbing again, up to 86.71, and short shares availability still hovering at the very low range of around 60K. Let's see here, we were as low as 35,000 today, and then had a high of 75,000. And that borrow fee rate is still pretty freaking high, down a little bit today, down 2% to 11.04%, still much higher than I've seen in a long time on this. We've been hovering around 3% for a while. And we're going to swing over to the institutional buys. Nothing new here. All right, terrific. Let's hop over to Ortex. So we got a lot going on here. The exchange reported short interest is up 13% up 13% from the last video I made Friday. So we're up to 22.14 million in exchange reported short interest, and so this is where things get pretty wild here. The estimated short interest percentage of the free float is up 64%, up to 15.24%. So a little bit of a discrepancy here between Ortex and Fintel. Utilization still over 98 here at 98.74. I think we were up as high as 99% last week, so maybe coming down a little bit. And we'll head over to Chart Exchange here. Volume for today, we had, let's see here, 11.33 million shares traded, and of that, 6.28 coming on that dark pool. 56%, still above the 30-day average of 47%. And let's see what we have here for the, we don't have total reported short volume for today, but we do have dark pool volume for today, very high. Lower volume than we're used to here. DD post here on why the shorts are getting nervous by it went up. We are nearing a massive turning point, and the obvious attempts at suppression of the MMAT price will be exposed in this post as well. There is a lack of supply after the $6 plus range. This means it is very difficult to short this beyond these levels. In other words, MMAT can rapidly and very easily start some massive upward movement with little to no interference from the shorts. So he breaks down the price levels here and the volume and how many shares are available at these particular prices. And first circle here, shorts are trying to suppress successful daily consolidation above the $6 range right here. Anything over $5.58 is very dangerous for the shorts, and there is a lack of supply above the $6 range. This means it is very difficult to short, and it can rapidly break through these levels. Very interesting stuff here. This is precisely why shorts will be trying very hard to suppress the price below $6. For example, on the previous trading day, Friday 9/10, we had someone short or dump about 500,000 shares, which resulted in the price drop from $5.30 to $5.08 in one transaction. To further make it more obvious, this was done literally 18 minutes before the closing bell. Look at that. Boom. Big dump here. 482,000, and then it dumped to 508. Good God. We have not seen any sort of suppression near the end of the day, especially this large, for several months. This transaction was done with the intent of suppressing the daily closing price and further upward movement. StockTwits live reactions on StockTwits during this massive short transaction near the end of the day showed everyone else was equally surprised and knew it was manipulation. Ortex data also shows increasing short interest, short percentage of the float, and borrow fee percentage, which we just confirmed. And in summary, we are getting close to some massive price action, and shorts are most definitely getting nervous at where we are right now. If we manage to successfully consolidate above the $6 range and remain there on the daily charts, we can see some massive price spikes to the upside. And this is, of course, implying that people will hold. I could definitely see this thing being pushed down below $5 by Friday. We do have the September 17th options expiring this Friday, and we currently have 28,000 options in the money and only 944 puts, or 28,000 calls in the money and 944 puts. So I could definitely see some more chicanery going on this week, and the most important thing is gonna be to hold here. Good God. Savages at the $8 call. But anyways, guys, that is just about going to do it for this one. So as always, please make sure you're subscribed to the channel for more updates on Metamaterials as well as other stocks and tokens we like. And I thank you guys so much for watching this far, and I'll see you in the next video.